Hi, this is Tutor P, and this is Idioms 1010. The idiom today is to pave the way. Okay, if somebody wants a screenshot or an now, let's go right to it. If a person says that someone or something paves the way, it means that person or thing helped another person or thing do something easier, or simply to do the same thing. Let's continue. The origin of this phrase comes directly from road construction. It comes from the literal act of paving roads, which make it easier to travel over a path or make it smoother to proceed. Over time, it picked up a figurative use. Okay, let's continue. And we got 4 examples here to show just how it's used. Here's the first one. Old groups like the Beatles and the Rolling Stones paved the way for the British music invasion in the 1960s. So a lot of bands started to become popular in the US in the 1960s from Great Britain due to the Beatles and the Rolling Stones. Number 2, when the Brooklyn Dodgers signed Jackie Robinson in 1947, it broke the color line barrier and paved the way for future African American ball players, in the major leagues. Okay, number 3, the rise of the internet paved the way for future social media influencers. And number 4 here, that team is trying to pave the way for a shot at the pennant by signing several star players. Okay, anyway, hope you got it. Hope it was clear. Hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.